Thought of the day: the habit of reading taught me to see the vast possibilities the world holds for me. 1. The Madhya Pradesh Legislative Assembly passed the Uniform Civil Code (UCC) bill by a voice vote. The new law criminalizes polygamy in Nikah Halala*. Registration of live-in relationships will be mandatory in the state. However, scheduled tribes (STs) have been exempted from this law to preserve their cultural identity. 2. According to the central government, women's participation in the country's total agricultural workforce has reached 59.8%. Data from the Ministry of Agriculture, 2025, indicates that the role of women in farming and allied activities is growing in rural India. Meanwhile, approximately 21.2 million hectares of land in the country are affected by floods annually. 3. France has become the first European Union country to ban social media for children under the age of 15. Children in this age group will no longer be able to use social media. The law also imposes a complete ban on the use of mobile phones in schools. In France, 90% of teenagers use smartphones daily. 4. The Indian Olympic Association has selected weightlifter Mirabai Chanu as India's flag bearer for the opening ceremony of the 2026 Commonwealth Games. Boxer Lovlina Borgohain will serve as the torchbearer. The Commonwealth Games will be held in Glasgow, Scotland, from July 23 to August 2. 5. Kanishka Narayan, a person of Indian origin born in Bihar, has been appointed as the AI Minister in the cabinet of Britain's new Prime Minister, Andy Burnham. This marks the first time in Britain that an AI department has been granted cabinet-level status. The 31-year-old Kanishka is a Labour Party MP from Wales and the first minority representative from Wales to enter Parliament. 6. American filmmaker James Gray will be honoured with the Pardo alla Carriera Lifetime Achievement Award at the 79th Locarno Film Festival in Switzerland. The award will be presented on August 9, the same day his new film, Paper Tiger, is set to premiere. Shah Rukh Khan and Jackie Chan have also previously received this prestigious honor. 7. Word of the day: International Solar Alliance, ISA. It is an organization comprising nations from around the world. It was launched in 2015 by India and France. Its objective is to promote the increased use of solar energy. It assists countries by providing access to affordable solar technology, investment, and collaboration on new projects. This helps reduce dependence on fossil fuels such as coal, petrol, and diesel. A recent report indicates that the pace of the ISIS progress has slowed down. Furthermore, India continues to bear a significant portion of the organization's expenses. Consequently, discussions are underway regarding its financial status and future operational framework.